YouTube, welcome back to my channel. We're going to do another unboxing today, but before we do that, I wanted to announce the winner of this glove thing. And so I chose randomly, and Louise is the winner of this, so I will contact her and get this sorted out. Congratulations, Louise. And now we are going to open the May Kinder box. Let's see what's inside here. I imagine I will have a giveaway this month too, actually, so stay tuned. This week they closed my box very well. There we go. Okay, so Kinder Beauty box, May. This month we have a yellow little thing here. It tells us everything that's inside. So, all right, let's get started here. Okay, so the first thing in here is something called the Clay Dry Deodorant Original. Bold, it says. Let's see. Okay, and let's see here. Oh, it smells nice, actually. Yeah, it smells nice. Oh, it seems like it's more like a gel one too, so I'll definitely try this out over the summer, let you guys know how it works. Last month or the month before, I can't remember which month it was, we got a deodorant, but that one works all right. I don't love it, but it works all right. So I'm hoping that this one will work even better, the Clay Dry. And let's see, according to our envelope, that is $3.49 in the travel size, which we got. Okay, so for the second thing, we have this makeup brush called Get Cheeky With It. So it's a cheek makeup brush. Yeah, and it's very soft actually. So it has very nice soft bristles. This will actually probably be the thing I give away because I already have way too many makeup brushes. So yeah, I think this will be the giveaway this month, guys. The Get Cheeky With It by MOTD Cosmetics. And this is worth $16. The next item in the box this month is a vanilla bean sugar scrub made by Bomb Bee. So yeah, sugar scrub, which is good. Get all the skin exfoliated so that I can have fresh new skin facing the sun. And this is worth $10.99. Not bad. Okay. Next we have a Hydra Tint in Hydra Tint in the shade Velvet by Clove and Hallow. Clove and Hallow. Alright, I'm going to need to use my scissors again, so just forgive me, guys. Okay, there we go. And let's see. So this is, oh cool, they make this in Atlanta. That's not far from me. I used to live in Atlanta. So this one is called Velvet, and I guess it's a nail polish. So yeah, this is actually a very pretty color. I don't know how it's going to look like on, but maybe I'll wear it next video and you guys can see. Yeah, so this right here, it is, yeah, Hydra Tint Blush Serum. Oh, it's a blush. It's not a nail polish. Okay. So it's a blush. All right. And it could have been in the shade Georgia, Naked, or Velvet. So it's a blush with meadow foam oil and hyaluronic acid. Okay, and this is worth $20. Well, I've not really been a huge fan of blush, so here, let's see how this works actually. So still feels like nail polish. But it says it's a blush, so. Yeah, I don't know if you guys can see that, but yeah, it's alright, I guess. Blush has never really been particularly my thing, but here, I don't know if you can see that compared to other fingers, but that's what it looks like. And then the last item for this month is a car skin, and they have a clarifying face oil and a balanced toning mist. And let's see, the face oil is worth $24 and the toning mist is worth $15. And they came in a little carrying case here, so that is something that I'll have to try, I guess. Yeah, but I'm not sure how much I like this month's box. Actually, there's a lot of stuff that I just don't use. So, I mean, I'll try them out, but I don't generally use them. But let's see, the total cost for this month's box, or the total value rather. Let's see, 16 and 20 is 36, 37, 38, 39. So we'll just round up to 40. 40 plus 11 is 51. And 75, 85, 90. So $90 worth of products in this box this month, guys, for 24 bucks, and that's actually not bad at all. So yeah, I'll definitely be sticking around to next month. And just remember, I got this brush for a giveaway this month. If you want it, you need to be subscribed and you need to leave a comment, and I will pick a random commenter to give this brush to for next month. And remember, Louise, I'll be contacting you about your glove from last month's box. And I guess that's it. I'll see you guys again next time. All right, bye.